Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the Forex market. So yesterday market, euro currency at least, start showing some downside performance, but currently stands very slow. As you have seen the recent data and the revision of the gross domestic product date, you could see that it was revised upside. So but it makes really small impact on the market. Speaking on the current action, if you remember, currently we keep in focus the possible starting of the bread and butter trade, not only on the euro currency, but on the dollar index as well. And it has to start somewhere around this area. Actually, this is the last area where it could start, or it will fail. If market fails to start moderate downward pullback, as we said, it will change the overall scale of the bullish context here, bullish scenario, and we will have to consider high standing targets, the greater scale. The nearest one will be around 114 area. If market still starts downward action, well, it will be bread and butter. In this case, we could expect some 618 pullback, somewhere in an area of 1 or 7, maybe even slightly lower. So as you can see, really big stake stands on the table, and it's important to see what will happen. In the current situation, if we'll take a look at euro currency and dollar index, in euro currency we do not see something really special by far. Yes, daily trend has turned bearish, but here we do not see any impressive dynamic to the downside. Besides, if we take a look at the dollar index, this is 10-year yield, by the way, guys, it's dollar index. You could see that yesterday it was spiked down, market tested 618 level, but hasn't quite reached the 1618 target. Well, maybe it is not the big deal, but today we will get the personal consumption expenditures, and it could bring some volatility in the market that could lead, in general, as a forex market and the dollar index to float around this area and touch the XOP, and maybe we'll start action around this level. That might be more evident, and will shed some light on the further perspective what we could get. In the same situation stands, by the way, the Great British pound. So if we take a look, it also hasn't quite reached the XOP. It might happen today. That's why currently what I could say concerning the euro currency, if you haven't taken the short position, then probably I suggest that it would be better to wait until the data will be released, because of this possible scenario. It's not obviously definitely should happen, but at least theoretically these chances exist. So first of all, we have potential free drive pattern here. First drive, second stands 127, and third stands around 110.40. That's might be the point, based on the possible volatility that we will get on today's inflation data. So this market could try to touch, maybe it will touch it briefly just with some spike or somewhere different manner, but with this type of action, I'm not sure that there's definitely good background for taking short position immediately. That's what we should keep in mind if you just intend to take the position. Those of you who have taken position yesterday, probably your bravery will be rewarded, and actually you could see the market indeed drop down from our 1618 extension. This was XOP, and that's our butterfly, and start dropping. But at the same time, take a look at the shape of this performance. It's some kind of the tight consolidation. Performance inside looks a bit choppy, and lots of spikes here. Definitely takes the shape of some ABCD retracement, and I'm not sure that this definitely downside continuation. The starting of something big to the downside. Now it doesn't look in this way. That's why currently you could protect your positions with a break-even stop and see what will happen during the PCE data release. So that actually what we have on the forex market. So probably today, tomorrow, we should get the clarity whether we will get downward action or not. Because another reason in general why I think that no necessity to be hurry up with this position taken. It's just because, guys, this is bread and butter stance on the weekly chart. It means that on a daily we should get some evident patterns, and it is even more so for intraday time frames. So here on the hourly chart, if we're dealing with the weekly pattern, here it should be some more extended, something, I don't know, maybe something like this big head and shoulders or something of this kind. Because this is really big difference in the time frames, and the weekly bread and butter, well, will not start just with the minor engulfing pattern. So it's definitely will need some more valuable, more extended on the lower time frame. That's why this type of the performance is also, well, not enough to make the suggestion that this is definitely the downward continuation. So just keep it short. If you have the position, you better to protect it with the break-even stop and see what will happen. If you do not have any position, we suggest that currently the better choice is wait until the personal consumption expenditures numbers will be released, see what will happen, and make the decision either today, tomorrow, later in the session, or tomorrow, or even in the beginning of the next week, and see what will happen.